Pay attention! We have some special sounds, not so many, just a few, but you really need to know how to pronounce them. Otherwise, all the Italian guys will make fun of you. Let's start. If you put together the letters G, L, and E, you will get the sound Y. Like the word aglio, which means garlic, or the word biglietto, which means ticket. Please repeat after me. Y, Y, aglio, biglietto. If you put together the letters G and N, you will get the sound N, like the word montagna, which means mountain, or piña, which means pine cone. Please repeat after me. N, N, montagna, piña. If you put together the letters S, C, and the vowels E or E, you will get the sound sh, like the word pesce, which means fish, or the word sci, which means skis. Please repeat after me. Sh, sh, pesce, sci. And finally, in Italian, we have some words differentiated by the duration of a consonant. And it's very important to pay attention on how we pronounce the double consonants. When a word shows double consonants, the sound is much stronger and the previous vowel has a shorter duration. Let's try to read together the following words. Cane, which means dog, and canne, which means reeds. Together now. Cane, canne. Let's give another example. Casa, which means house, cassa, which means case. Together now. Casa, cassa. You will see, with a little practice, you will be able to easily notice the difference between single consonants and double consonants. And that's very, very important. Otherwise, if you want to play with a ball on the beach, you will risk buying a pala instead of a palla. Please repeat this lesson until you feel very confident. Ciao for now. See you.